Today we are going to make soft, fluffy, and yummy pandesal. This is Judy of pursuitoffunctionalhome.com and thank you for watching this video. This is easy and very simple recipe for pandesal. In this video I am using Tangzhong bread making method. So just in case you are wondering what is Tangzhong, it is basically a wet dough consists of bread flour and water. This will make the bread soft and fluffy for a few days. I have tried a lot of pandesal recipe before and I always fail. I wanted my pandesal to be soft, chewy, and fluffy even after a few days. The Tangzhong method made it easy for me to achieve that. Now we are just going to combine the flour and water and mix it until no visible lumps. In a medium heat, let it boil until it forms a paste. Set aside and let it cool. You can prepare the Tangzhong ahead of time. Once it cools down, cover it with cling wrap and refrigerate until ready for use. You can store it up to 3 days. Let's prepare our pandesal dough. So we have water, Tangzhong, milk powder, sugar, vegetable oil, salt, and all-purpose flour, and the yeast. My daughter was with me when I made the pandesal. She put the smiley face on the flour. So combine all the dry ingredients. Make a well in the middle and start adding all the wet ingredients. Add the water, the Tangzhong, and the oil. I was only using my hand, so it was really sticky. So start kneading for about 10 minutes until the dough is elastic. Let it rise for 2 hours, and once it risen, punch it in the middle to release the air. Transfer dough on a flat surface and divide it into 4 equal parts. Shape dough into a log and cut diagonally. Dip pandesal to the eggnog crumbs. I don't have breadcrumbs, so I ground eggnog cookies instead. I put cheese because we want cheese pandesal. Let pandesal rise for 2 hours or more to really get that fluffy bread. As you can see, I made different shapes and sizes. This is optional. You can make an egg wash and brush it on top of the pandesal to give it a more brown color. To create some variation of your pandesal, you can add ham and cheese, and in here I added condensed milk and shredded cheese on top. So this is the final look. So here it is. It is a bit dense, but it's chewy, yummy, and still fluffy. What I do is I put half of the pandesal in the freezer, and once the other half are finished, I just get a few frozen pandesal and reheat it in the oven toaster for 5 minutes. And voila, I have fresh pandesal. It is still fluffy, and don't worry that it's frozen. It will turn out as if you just baked them. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you want to see more of my baking tutorial, you can click the links on the screen. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, you can do so by clicking the red button subscribe. And again, thank you so much for watching and see you again next time. Goodbye.